If you are seeking to begin your career in the field of light motor vehicle, maintenance and repair, then this course is your starting point. It's designed to provide you with practical skills, knowledge, and understanding of systems found on the motor vehicle department. All the training involved in this course is delivered in a fully equipped motor vehicle workshop, so you can get hands on experience of what this industry is involved in Newham College. In Newham College, we run IMI Beginners Diploma for the Introduction to Motor Vehicle Industry and Technologies, which is entry level. This course is an ideal introduction to working within the motor vehicle industry. This is both practical and theory-based course. The aim of the qualification is to give students the opportunity to gain knowledge and develop a range of practical skills relevant to the motor vehicle industry. The course is delivered during the day and focuses on various aspects of motor vehicle, which is the technology and the maintenance of the main parts, such as driveline, spark ignition systems, vehicle construction, and introduction to electrical vehicle. Progression routes for this course is level 1 or an entry requirement for apprenticeship. We run also IMI Introduction Diploma in Motor Vehicle Maintenance, which is level 1. Progression routes for this course is level 2 or an apprenticeship. Level 3 or mechanic in a garage, i.e. quick fit, hard force, or an MOT tester course. For more information, please go to Newham College website. Thank you for listening to me.